look at this. Just look at this. So what's up here? So it's working 100%. And you profit. Everything here is so working 100%. All the switch boards are working well. The power, the CHNT power, working well. Everything is on. It's already this one and it's off. Everything is working fine. We thank the India people that produce it. They are so nice people. They are helping the Africa to produce those things. And Africa are using those things from their restaurants, for their company, for the many things they are using them for. It's not easy. Look at the back. Look at this. Look at all the display. It showed the little of the light. It showed everything. 231, 227, 232. Look at everything. And everything is working fine. Look at all that switch. This is the main switch. This is the main switch that is here. The general switch. This switch automatically shut down everything. See this light. When light comes, this one will display. When this one display, we are alert that light is already on. These are the wires that are directed to inside. From the light, those one from the gen. Now it's from gen now. You can hear the sound of the gen is playing in outside. This one is the second switch. We used to off it. We used to off it with this thing. Just since this thing now break, then we put like it. Then we get it close like it. Then we switch it off. But now we went to bought this one. So I made from India. India made. We thank God that everything is working. You can see the switch. If any light have fault here, the light will automatically switch back. The switch will automatically switch back to know that it's a fault in that place. Well, after producing it, then we turn it back again for not in all time. We need to check these things and try to help people who don't know more things about light so that they should know. It's not easy.